Hello everyone, I am Anuj Nakade and you are watching Live Law. Today, an important judgment has come from the Supreme Court which goes directly into the questions of freedom of speech and expression as well as the questions of sealed cover jurisprudence. Supreme Court had earlier condemned the act of the Union of India for providing documents to it in sealed covers. In this case, a television news channel named Media One, run by Madhyamam Broadcasting Limited, was taken off the air and its broadcasting license was refused renewal in the name of security concerns from the Ministry of Home Affairs. The channel approached the Supreme Court stating the freedom of speech and expression along with the freedom of the press has been affected. On March 15, 2022, the Supreme Court heard the petition and issued notice in the petition filed by Media One and also passed an interim order. The Supreme Court, in the interim order, directed the Minister of Information and Broadcasting to renew the broadcasting license within 4 weeks and allowed the channel to continue its operations while the final decision of the court was pending. Today, the final judgment has been delivered in the case by the Honorable Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice Hema Kohli, lifting the ban order permanently. The court, while passing the order, stated, and I quote, "An independent press is necessary for a robust democracy. The criticism of the policies of the government cannot be stretched to mean any of the grounds under Article 19(2) which can restrict free speech." The court has also observed that the Union of India had not provided evidence to establish that the organization is in any way a threat to national security. The court also observed that the Union of India has failed to provide any evidence to support its allegations of the links of the channel's shareholders to Jamaat-e-Islami Hind. While stating that there is no evidence for the said links, court observed that any association to Jamaat-e-Islami Hind cannot be said to be a legitimate ground to restrict the rights of the channel, as it is not a banned organization. The court, while upholding the freedom of the press in the case, said that, and I quote, "The critical views of the media on policies of the government cannot be termed as anti-establishment. The use of such terminology in itself represents an expectation that the press must support the establishment." The Supreme Court also inquired as to why no reasons were provided by the Kerala High Court while dismissing the challenge to this order and stated, and I quote, "There is no explanation on what weighed with the High Court in holding the decision is valid." This has become an important milestone in the legal history of freedom of speech and expression and sealed cover jurisprudence. The court has noted that the concerns of national security cannot be a blanket cover for restriction of speech that is critical of the decisions of the government. That's all we have for you in this video. In order to see the full story, please visit our website. We'll also ensure to leave a link down in the description to the full story. Please tell us in the comments how we can bring you your legal news in more engaging ways. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.